might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here.
Ever wondered how to take your home baking to the next level? Turning a simple pie into a masterpiece isn't just about the taste. It's also about the presentation and the techniques you use. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced baking techniques. We'll explore the art of lattice crusts, the mastery of double crust pies, the beauty of decorative tops, and creative serving suggestions that are bound to impress. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out how. First up, let's unravel the secret behind a perfect lattice crust. Imagine a woven blanket, but made of pastry. That's the essence of a lattice crust. To master this, you need to cut your dough into even strips. Precision is key here. Once you've got your strips, it's time to weave. Start at the center and work your way out, going over and under with each strip. But here's the trick. The dough has to be cold. Why, you ask? Well, cold dough is less likely to stretch or break, and it also holds its shape better as it bakes. So, keep it chilled and work quickly to maintain its form. If you feel it getting warm, don't hesitate to pop it back in the fridge for a bit. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to lattice crust. It might seem intricate, but with a bit of patience, you'll be weaving pastry like a pro. Moving on to our second technique, the double crust pie. This is a favorite among home bakers because it's perfect for those juicy fillings like apple or cherry. The technique is as simple as it sounds. You line your pie dish with your bottom crust, add your filling, and then layer on your top crust. Sounds easy, right? But the trick is in the details. First, be generous with your bottom crust. You want it to come up over the edges of your pie dish so you can seal it with the top crust. Once your filling is in place, roll out your top crust and lay it over the filling. Now comes the fun part, sealing and crimping. Press the edges of the top and bottom crusts together to seal in all that delicious filling. Then using your fingers or a fork, crimp the edges to give your pie that classic look. And there you have it, a double crust pie that's as delicious as it looks. Now, let's add some flair with a decorative top. This is where your imagination can truly shine, turning your pie from delicious to a masterpiece. Using cookie cutters or a sharp knife, you can create a variety of designs on your top crust. Consider autumn leaves for a fall apple pie or stars for a patriotic blueberry pie. Even abstract patterns can make your pie stand out in a crowd. But remember, these designs aren't just for show. They also serve a crucial purpose. They are steam vents. As your pie bakes, the filling gets hot and creates steam. Without a way to escape, that steam could make your pie soggy or even cause it to burst. So those beautiful designs also allow the steam to escape, ensuring a crisp, flaky crust. A decorative top adds a touch of beauty and functionality to your pies. So go ahead, add that artistic touch. Your pie deserves to be a showstopper. Lastly, presentation is key when serving your pies. A beautifully baked pie is a feast for the senses, and a creative presentation only amplifies the experience. So let's explore some serving suggestions that will surely impress your guests. For a classic apple pie, couple it with a dollop of homemade vanilla ice cream. The chill of the ice cream contrasts perfectly with the warm, spiced apples nestled in a flaky crust. But why stop there? If you're serving a tart cherry pie, consider pairing it with a slice of artisanal cheese. The sharp, tangy cheese balances the pie's sweet and sour notes, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that will have your guests coming back for seconds. For a rich, decadent chocolate pie, try serving it with a sprinkle of sea salt or a drizzle of caramel. The salty-sweet combination is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Remember, the first bite is with the eye. So plate your pies with passion and let your creativity shine through. And that's how you elevate your baking with these advanced techniques. From mastering the lattice and double crust pies to creating decorative tops and serving your pies in style, each technique adds a new layer of sophistication to your baking. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep trying these techniques until you make them your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Share your creations with us on social media and let us know what techniques you want to see next.